and welcome back to the Business Circle with Sino. For those who are new to the channel, this is your space if you are wanting to build a side hustle or you are dreaming of leaving your 9 to 5. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something that is currently changing my life right now, and that is the mindset shift from employee to CEO. So this isn't just a pep talk, but I'm also going to be giving you real practical steps that you can start applying today. So let's dive right into it. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscription button below and join our community. So let's get right into it. Okay, so when you're stuck in employee mode, your focus is always on the actual tasks that need to be done. So you'll be asking yourself things like, for example, what tasks do I need to take off today? But now when you're a CEO or business owner, you think bigger. So for them, it is about direction. So they'll be asking themselves things like, where is this business actually going? And here's a tip that works for me. So you'll set aside a CEO hour once a week. It can be a Sunday evening or a Monday morning. So this is where you work on the business and not in it. In the set hour, you should be able to ask yourself things like, what's my main goal this quarter? Are my tasks actually aligned with this goal? Or what's the one big move I can make this week to grow the vision? As employees, we are so used to asking for permission. Can I do this? Is this approved? But CEOs don't wait for permission. They make decisions. That's part of the responsibility that comes with leadership. You can get started with small executive decisions. So this week, go choose your logo, run with it, set a launch date and commit to that date, or post your first offer, even if it's not perfect. The truth is, from what I've learned from my own business journey, is that clarity actually comes from taking action and not just waiting. Now, we all know that employees get paid for their time. You clock in, you get paid. But now CEOs and business owners build systems that keep generating value even when they're not working. And that's where I want all of you to be at from the content I'm sharing with you on this channel. So here's what you can do today. Start creating one product or an offer that can work for you over and over again. It can be an ebook, it can be a digital planner, or a service that you can automate, like coaching with Calendly, and then add a payment link to it. Besties, what I want for us is to not just sell our hours, but let us sell results, sell solutions, and sell systems. There's a video I did earlier that talks about different side hustle options that you can look into. I'll add the link in the description box below and you can check it out. In 2025, you can't rely on one salary. We need to be creating multiple income streams, please. And if you're enjoying this content, please give it a thumbs up to show you're enjoying the content. Share it with someone who might need it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button below to not miss out on new content from the channel. Okay, here's the thing that I personally battle with all the time, and that is fear is real. And even successful CEOs or business owners feel it or experience it once in their lives. But the difference when they, when you as a CEO or business owner experiences that you don't avoid the risk, you just find a way to manage it. I read somewhere about something called a risk journal. So give this a try, besties, and do a risk journal exercise. So you start off by writing down the worst case scenario of starting your side hustle. Then, when you're done with that, you're going to write the best case scenario. And then finally, list what you do, what you do if something went wrong. So this is where you can see it on paper and realize that, I can handle this. Trust me, it does work. Getting a paycheck feels safe, and it's nice to have that security or stability. Trust me, I would know. But honestly, it's not real security if someone else controls it. And a lot of people get so comfortable in employment and forget that real stability is where you own the source of your income. So you may be asking, Sino, how do I become my own safety net? Here's how you build that. Start by saving for an entrepreneur emergency fund. So maybe aim for 1 month of living expenses to begin with. Then when you start seeing money come in, set aside 10% of every sale you make into your side hustle into a buffer account. I believe the whole aim of having a business is for your business to support you and not stress you out. As I end off on today's video, let me tell you, No one just hands you a CEO mindset. You build it over time through consistency, courage, and taking the first step. And by you actually watching this video, that's you taking a bold move towards the right direction. So big ups to you, besties. If you're serious about taking this, grab my ebook, Launch and Grow. It's the roadmap I created that I wish I had in the beginning of my own business journey. Also, be on the lookout for my 9 to 5 exit plan coaching program that I'm still busy fine-tuning and developing for you, that will give you a step-by-step support and real transformation. I'm really excited about this product, and I can't wait to share it with you. All the links mentioned in this video are in the description box below. And if this video spoke to you, please drop me a comment saying CEO era activated, so I know that you are in the room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and send this to someone who is ready to stop surviving and start building their side hustle. Now, before you go, repeat these affirmations with me. I am capable of building the life I dream about. I trust my decisions and lead with confidence. I no longer wait for permission. I give myself the green light. I think like a CEO because I am one. Then breathe in and out. You've got this, besties. Let's build your empire one bold move at a time. See you in the next video. Bye.